Warner Bros. Discovery has received preliminary bids from multiple media companies, including Paramount Skydance, Comcast, and Netflix, according to sources familiar with the matter. These offers mark the first stage in a potential sale of all or part of the century-old Hollywood studio. The company, which owns major entertainment brands such as HBO, CNN, and the Warner Bros. Film studio, has not publicly commented on the reported bids. Representatives for Comcast and Paramount Skydance declined to comment, while Netflix could not be reached for confirmation. The development was first reported by the New York Times. Paramount Skydance is reportedly preparing to submit a bid for the full acquisition of Warner Bros. Discovery, including its cable television networks. The offer is said to have the backing of the studio's controlling shareholder, billionaire Larry Ellison, co-founder of Oracle and one of the world's wealthiest individuals. Earlier reports indicate that Warner Bros. Discovery's board rejected a largely cash offer of nearly $24 per share. While details of the board's reasoning are not publicly available, sources suggest the offer did not meet the company's valuation expectations. Meanwhile, Netflix and Comcast, through its corporate parent, NBC Universal, are understood to be primarily interested in acquiring Warner Bros. Discovery's film and television studios, along with HBO. These potential buyers are not reportedly pursuing the company's basic cable networks, which include widely known channels such as CNN, HGTV, and TNT. The preliminary bids arrive as Warner Bros. Discovery continues to navigate significant changes in its corporate structure. The company previously announced plans to split into two publicly traded entities, separating its studios and streaming operations from its traditional cable networks. Analysts have noted that this separation could make Warner Bros. Discovery more attractive to potential buyers, particularly for companies looking to acquire content production and streaming assets without inheriting the challenges of declining cable subscriptions. The potential sale reflects ongoing shifts in the media industry, where streaming services and digital content platforms have gained prominence, and traditional cable networks have seen declining viewership. Experts say the high-profile interest in Warner Bros. Discovery underscores the strategic value of its film and television studios, which include some of Hollywood's most recognizable franchises and intellectual property. A successful sale could reshape the competitive landscape in the entertainment sector, potentially consolidating some of the most influential content producers under new ownership. However, any final agreement would require approval from Warner Bros. Discovery's board and could be influenced by regulatory considerations, shareholder perspectives, and ongoing negotiations between interested parties. At this stage, no formal agreement has been announced, and it remains unclear which, if any, of the interested companies will ultimately acquire the studio. The media world will be closely watching as Warner Bros. Discovery evaluates the preliminary bids and determines the next steps in what could be a historic transaction in Hollywood. The coming months are likely to provide further clarity on whether Warner Bros. Discovery will remain under its current ownership, undergo a partial sale, or be fully acquired by a new corporate entity.